After specifying all of the material for your project, before finishing up and creating your framing layouts, you may want to spend a few minutes looking at the tag and label options that are available to you in BC Estimator. When you draw your material, most of it is automatically labeled, but there are a few options to adjust those labels if necessary. For example, here on this beam, let's say that we didn't want this tag overlapping those hangers. So we right-click on the beam and come down to the Label Position option, and we'll choose, instead of center, left of A to B, and notice the label shifts downward, giving us a better view of the hangers. In a similar fashion, we can adjust the label for post items. Here, the label once again is overlapping the joist and hanger, so we can right-click on it, go to Label Position, and instead of it being in the northeast corner, we'll set it to the northwest corner. We make that selection and the label shifts to that side, giving us a better view of the material in the project. One type of material that doesn't automatically receive tags are hangers. If you have hangers in your project, you can expose those hanger tags so it's more clear what material to use in what location. Here we right-click on the hanger and choose Add Hanger Tag. The tag gets added and we can position it accordingly. And if you have a long run of hangers, then you can choose to add 2 or 3 of those hanger tags along the way so you can clearly see what hangers are in use, but you don't have to add every tag for every hanger. You follow the similar pattern for beams, again right-clicking on the hanger and choosing to add the tag for that particular location. By putting hanger tags in, it makes it clear for those reading the layout at a later time what hangers should be used in which positions in the project. One final item that you may want to add to your framing layout are framing detail tags. Tags that identify certain conditions and that indicate certain kinds of details that should be referenced. Up here in the toolbar, we'll choose the Detail Tag tool. And let's say we want to add a detail tag for the condition along the blocking at this bearing wall. We'll click the detail tag, and now we can right-click on that particular detail and choose the identifying tag that we want. In this case, we're looking for F01. We'll make that selection, and it's been placed there at that location. Or, as another example, let's say that we wanted to add a framing detail tag indicating the detail that should be referenced when framing this area with the hangers and beams and joists. Again, we use the Detail Tag tool, right-click on it and come to the ID and look for F19. We make that selection and we can position the tag as needed. Later, when framing layouts are created that have these detail tags showing on them, their associated images will appear at the lower side of that framing layout, making it easy for you to communicate the custom conditions that a customer has in his project.